A-level students, it is February half term, and what you decide to do in this holiday is going to make or break your grades. This is the exact study timetable that I used that allowed me to get 5A stars. No messing about here, these are the exact timing, top study tips, and a literal timetable at the end of the video that you can screenshot. We're going to identify what we need to focus our revision on. I recommend the key focus of your revision should be on year 12 concepts. This really depends on the subject because, like, obviously if you're doing maths, you're using, like, how you do basic differentiation every single day. But if it's a topic like history, you're probably covering a completely different period of time. Use this half-term break to focus on first year content that you might be a bit weaker on. But also, the reason you're focusing on it is because you're probably weaker on. Identify your weak areas. You can start structuring your revision. But before that, I recommend you get your A-level specification, going over it in red, amber, green, checklisting it. So like things you don't know in red, things you're a bit shaky on in amber, and then things you're very confident with in green. You're going to structure your revision like a school day. So now we're at like 8:15. Go and just spend the first hour of your day waking up, having food and fueling yourself. 9 to 10:30, revision session 1. Deep focused revision. No phone, using Pomodoro. So this is like 25 minutes on and a 5-minute break, or maybe an hour and a 15-minute break, however you find it helpful. Or maybe working for the whole hour and a half and doing a whole practice paper. However it is, just make sure you're incorporating breaks. Or like if you are doing a practice paper and you need to focus for a solid 2 hours at a time, do not do this in every study session in a day because you're going to exhaust yourself. Alright, 10:30, first break. Just like when you're at school. You're going to take a 30-minute break. In this time, if you haven't had a proper meal, go and have one now. If you have a little snack. But crucially, get away from your desk and get out of the room that you've been revising in. So like if you've been revising in your bedroom, which a lot of people do not just go and sit on your bed. Get out of that space. 11 o'clock, we're in deep focus session 2. All the advice I gave you for session 1, do it in session 2. And you're focusing on a different subject. You don't have to, but I would recommend doing that. And then 12:30 until 1:30 is time for an extended break. It's time for lunch. Go on your phone. Go, please get outside. Even if the weather's horrible, which it probably is, it's the UK. Just get outside. Have an active break. Just like get up, at least walk around a bit and use your body. Don't just like lie down, which is very tempting to do. Completely take your mind away from learning and away from revision. And then 1:30 till 3 is another deep focus study session. And look, you know the drill. Weak areas, active recall. So this is your blurting, your flashcards, your practice papers. SQ4R. I've got so many videos on active recall. At 3 o'clock is when you finish school. So we're going to have a break, 3 till 4. This break, it's crucial you get outside. 4 o'clock, we're ramping up again. 4 to 5:30 is another study session. Another deep focus study session. I know you're sick of this, but bear in mind you've done 6 hours of focused revision now. And then 5:30 till 6 is another break. It's tea time. Go talk to your family. And then there's just one more. 6 till 7:30, final study session of the day. And you're done. As promised, here is the timetable that you can screenshot and implement yourself. I've adjusted it for 3A level.